Hi there. In this video I'll show you how to create a workflow with Sheetgo. With Sheetgo you can create workflows to connect spreadsheets and automate entire business processes. We're going to use our web app to create a workflow by creating multiple connections. I want to consolidate the OKRs from 6 departments into a master spreadsheet and update the files automatically, so I'll merge data from 6 spreadsheets into a single Google Sheets file. So let's get started. Click the link in the video description below to sign up for Sheetgo. This will take you to the Sheetgo web application where you can sign up using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click New Workflow and give it a name at the top of the screen. I'll name it Company OKRs. Then click Create a Connection to create the first connection of the workflow. First, I need to select my source files. When you create a connection, you need a data source and a destination. In this example, I'll transfer data from my 6 source files to a Google Sheets file. I'll select Files in a folder because I want to import data from all the spreadsheets from a folder. Then I'll click Select Folder and choose the folder. Under Import Settings, I can choose whether I want to import data from every file in the folder or import data only from the latest file added to the folder when the connection is updated. I'll select Import Data from every file in the folder. I also have to choose which tab I want to merge data from. I'll select the Team Objectives tab. I'll click Next Step to move forward. Now you can choose a data processor. If you want to filter data and transfer it to another spreadsheet, click Filter. If you want to merge your data from multiple sheets into a single file, select Merge. I'll click Merge. Now I'll select which row I want to use as a header. The default option in the first row. I don't want to change it, so I'll click Next Step. Now you can select a destination file. You can send data to a spreadsheet, generate documents, PDFs, and emails, or send files as email attachments. I'll select Sheet File. You can choose whether you want Sheetgo to create a new file or transfer the data to an existing file. I'll let Sheetgo create a new spreadsheet. I'll call this new file Team OKRs. You can choose the file type, Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. I'll choose Google Sheets. You can also rename the new file tab. I'll call it Team Objectives. I'll click Finish and save to create the workflow. Now Sheetgo has transferred all the data to this new spreadsheet. If you click Workflow on the sidebar menu, you'll be able to visualize the entire workflow. You can press Run whenever you want to update the destination file. You can also click Automate if you want to schedule automatic updates. I have just created a workflow to transfer data from a spreadsheet to another with Sheetgo. I'm going to repeat the process in order to create another connection. Now I want to merge the data from the tab Key Results and transfer it to the same master spreadsheet to a tab called Key Results. Now we have a workflow with 2 connections to merge data from 6 spreadsheets into these 2 files. This is just one example of how you can create a workflow with Sheetgo. The possibilities are endless. You can create multiple connections within the same workflow to automate entire business processes and boost your productivity. Sign up for Sheetgo and explore all the possibilities. Say goodbye to manual work and say hello to automation. That's how you can create a workflow with Sheetgo. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.